Welcome to Dev Tech YouTube channel. If it is your first time, to click on the watch button of this YouTube channel, and welcome back to those who have been watching my videos from the very first time I started talking about how we can make money investing. And in today's video I'm going to talk about how we can invest in MTN with a minimum of only 10,000, and we can earn a minimum of 9% up to 13% in our investments. Now, investments that I'm going to talk about in MTN is with Zeno. That is a right way we can do our investment with MTN in Africa at large and in Uganda, where I am specifically. So if you're in Uganda, sit tight and watch this video. Now, if you're still new and you've not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click on the subscription button. Then also, if you've subscribed and maybe you've forgotten to turn on the notification bell, please click on that bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get the notification. Now, as I say that in this video, I'm going to talk about how we can invest in MTN Zeno. Now, investment in MTN Zeno is very free, because you may be asking yourself, how safe is my investment? Because with investments, we need to make sure that we invest in a safer place. Now, with MTN, it is safe on my side, then also in your side it may be safe. Only that if you don't share your mobile money pin with your friends, with your wife, with anyone, because mobile money pin is individual and it is a private thing. So whenever you share your mobile money pin, it means you're exposing your finance in MTN or anywhere that maybe uses a pin or a password to access your finance. That is the only way you can keep your money safe with MTN and any place you're keeping your money. So without further ado, let's dive into today's video. Using your MTN, you don't need to go and stand in a line to access your money. You don't need to go and stand in a line to maybe make a deposit or fill any form for you to start investing with MTN Zeno. It is very easy. The steps that we shall take is you just go to your phone and you dial *165*5*7 then hash. You go with that process. It will give you three options. The first option is to read the terms and conditions. Then the second option is to invest. Then the third option is to understand more. Now, before you make your investments, and also if you will see that you want to understand more about these investments, please always go to the first thing that I recommend you to go to is terms and conditions. Now, then you go to other parts, maybe like how do I invest, how to learn more. But now with this Zeno in MTN, you can contact the customer service on WhatsApp to learn more about these investments. Now, if you go with option 3, after you dialing *165*5*hash, you go with option 3, where that will take you to how it works. From there, you're going to option 8, which talks about contact customer service. Now, they have a WhatsApp number there. You contact them via that WhatsApp, and also in that number it is having automatic response. So some things that you maybe ask, you will get the answers there, and then before you even contact the customer service or you live chat the customer service, you can get the responses there. So maybe you can even get your answers there before you even go far with maybe talking with a customer service, linking up with a customer service to understand more. That is live chat. Now, this support with the customer service live chat, it is not working on weekends, so it is Monday to Friday, only working hours, which is from 8 a.m. up to 5 p.m. That is the time you're going to get support on MTN. Now, where we shall go is option 2, which talks about investments. Now, from option 2 also, it has two packages, which is group investments or individual investments. Now, if you want to invest like you want to invest as an individual, you go with option 1. And from option 1 there, it has like 6 investment packages: secure retirements, build wealth, fund education, own a house, fund emergency or hello January. Now, all these investments are there with a purpose. but still the same thing. The investment starts with only 10,000 Uganda shillings up to the maximum level that you need to invest, and you're going to earn in annum, that is per year. Maybe you may ask yourself that, will I make my withdrawal in case I want to terminate the project before it ends? Yes, it is true, because this one is your mobile money, so anytime you can access your money and anytime you can withdraw your money to your account. Now, if you go with option 2, which is build wealth, they ask you to enter the minimum amount to activate your account. Now, this money they ask you that to activate your account is not that they are going to take that money, but that money will be in your account. It is just starting to invest. It means you're now ready to invest and now you want to invest. That's why they say invest 10,000 is for activating your account. Now, if you go with the option 1, as you've seen that in option 1 says 10,000. Now my 10,000 will be deposited in my account to activate my account, just to show that I am ready to invest in this package. Now, these investments are good because you can invest like for building wealth. You can invest, for example, if I say I want to invest 5 million now, for 1 year I will be having some profits, but and also my investment is there very safe, as long as you protect your account. As I say that, don't share your mobile money pin with your friends, with anyone, and always when you access your mobile money, don't access when people can read your mobile money pin, because when they read, they can go and forge the way that they can withdraw your money, or just even stealing your phone, then they withdraw your money when you don't know. So the safety of your money is in your hands. Now, for option 2, that is invest how you invest. For option 2, like investing in groups, you can, maybe you don't even have a group, but you can just guess any code, like any figures that you need. For example, if I guess 112, as you can see 112, it has worked. So now here I can also put money that I want to put, like we are investing in a group, like for example in my family I want to invest with my children, my wife, just like that. Maybe we shall make it as a group, we invest, then we still earn the same interest per annum. Guys, that is how you going to invest with this investment. So guys, with this investment that I've just talked about is a best investment that I would recommend you to invest in. Guys, that is where I'm ending for this video. In case you have not yet subscribed, please do a favor and click on the subscription button, like the video, and also comment just by giving me any advice or what you want me to record in the next video, so that I can record, or you want me to do something this time around in this channel. So let's meet in the next coming video. Share the video and we make money together. We meet.